In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate TNT SIM card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly activate any SIM card that you have. You will be able to get this done with smart SIM cards and specifically the TNT one. So all that you have to do is first insert it into your device. Usually this will be done by popping out the SIM tray on your iOS or Android device and then inserting the SIM card in here. So make sure that it is properly inserted, and once you have the TNT SIM card inserted, good to go, place the SIM tray back into your device. Now, the next time that you power it on and you go through the setup, you will be able to access the network settings and configure the specific SIM card. So now, to get this done and access the network settings, usually you will have to dial this number. So dial *123#. In there will be plenty of options, and the one that you are looking for is option number 3. After you choose option 3, you will be able to choose from a variety of providers and brands, and as you can see, they have Smart and TNT. Just choose the according option here, which usually is going to be 2 for TNT SIM cards. Immediately upon doing this, you will be able to get this card activated, top up, and start using your new phone number. It is going to work for any sort of call, so you can dial any number afterwards, and you can use stuff like mobile data, roaming, and so on. Everything will work flawlessly, and all that you have to do is dial this number. So dial #123, and after this is done, you will be able to select option number 3 and then choose TNT or Smart from the list. If this doesn't work, double check to see if you inserted the SIM card properly, and as long as you call that number, you will be able to get this done for your TNT SIM card. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate TNT SIM card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.